Hi guys, I'm Tang. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making Kung Pao Chicken. The first Kung Pao Chicken was actually born in Sichuan, China in the 19th century. It was one of the local governor's favorite dishes. Now Kung Pao Chicken has made its way into the restaurants all over the world. There are so many recipes and versions about this dish, but the recipes I'm going to show you guys today, I think is the best. It's pretty close to the original version, but less spicy. It has sweet and sour taste with mild spicy kick. Let's get started.
Get 2 green onions and cut off the roots. Cut off the leaves and put into a bowl. And then cut the rest part into small sections. Smash a piece of peeled ginger and put them into the bowl. Slice about 5 cloves of garlic into thin pieces. Cut about 5 dried chilies into short pieces and remove the seeds. You can keep the seeds if you like spicy. Here I have about 1 pound of chicken breast. I'm going to remove the fatty parts. Next, we're going to cut the meat into 2 sections. Slice through the thicker section horizontally. Open it up like a book and make one more stroke to completely split it. Gently cut on top of the meat. Make sure don't cut through the meat. This step will make the meat more tender. Also, it will help the meat absorb the flavor more easily when we marinate. Finally, cut them into ½ inch to 1 inch pieces. Next, we're going to make ginger and onion water. Add about a ½ cup of water, squeeze ginger and green onion leaves. Put them back to the water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Add 3 teaspoons of onion and ginger water to chicken. And mix well. Keep adding 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, ½ teaspoon of dark soy sauce, ¼ teaspoon of salt, ¼ teaspoon of white pepper, half egg white, ¼ teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix until the seasonings is completely absorbed. And then add 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Last, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil to prevent the meat stick together when we cook them. This step is called velveting. It's a great Chinese cooking technique which keeps the meat moist and tender during cooking. Put aside for 20 minutes before cooking. Now we're going to make the Kung Pao sauce. Squeeze the ginger and green onion one more time to bring the flavor into the water. Take them out and keep the water. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, ½ teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, and garlic slices. Mix everything together. Turn the heat to medium-high and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, put the chicken in and gently mix the chicken to get them evenly cooked. Keep stir fry and we can see a layer has begun to wrap on chicken. Now the chicken is cooked, remove them and set aside. Next, we're going to make Sichuan pepper infused oil. Turn the heat to medium-low, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of rice Sichuan pepper, and 1 teaspoon of green Sichuan pepper. Slowly fry them until they become brown. Make sure to use medium-low heat. If the heat is high, it's easy to burn them. The reason that we're using both types of Sichuan peppers is the red ones bring more fragrance, the green ones create the numbness taste. Sichuan peppers will bring this dish to the next level, so I highly suggest you to use them. Now we can smell the aroma from the oil. Remove the peppers and keep the oil. Add the dry chilies into our pepper oil. Once we see the chilies are starting to change color, bring the chicken back and mix well to have the chicken absorb the flavor from the oil. Turn the heat to medium-high and pour our Kung Pao sauce into the wok. Mix the sauce with chicken evenly. When the sauce thickens, add roasted peanuts and green onions. Mix everything together and stir fry for about 10 to 20 seconds. Give it a taste and we're done. I recommend to eat with the rice and you'll be surprised by the taste.
So good. The balance of sweet and sour and the spicy are just perfect. Hope you guys try this at home and let me know how it goes. I share more recipes every week. If you guys are interested, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys next week.